Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to open the Hinge dating app on your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock the phone. Open the app store on your phone. Now tap on the search at the bottom right. On the search bar, type Hinge dating app. Now tap on get to download it. Once download, open the Hinge app on your phone. If you are already logged in, you will go straight to your home screen. If not, tap login and choose your login method, phone number, Facebook or Apple ID. Follow the prompts to complete the login. Hinge may ask for notification and location access. Allow this helps you get matches nearby and alert when someone likes you. Once Hinge app opens, you will see your main feed with potential matches. Swipe, like or comment on profile to start connecting with people. And that's it. Now you know how to open the Hinge dating app on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.